You'll hear me talk about this a lot when you listen to the review of the material, but public relations, publicity, and promotions, it doesn't really matter what field you're in. You are constantly seeing this, and you'll hear me talk about how I represent public relations for this university whenever I go and speak or sit at a board meeting or do anything like that. And I tell students all the time, you're always out marketing yourself. And so anytime you get the opportunity, look at it as a public relations situation, and you are doing PR for yourself. You know, we talk a lot about our industry leaders that we know, the really good ones, understand that they're technically never really off the clock. They are constantly doing publicity and PR. That's their job. The nature of the hospitality industry, the people business that we are, we really don't stop. So when I'm out, if it's at a high school, if it's at a dinner, if it's at whatever it is, I understand that that's the part of the job that goes beyond the classroom, where I am representing not just hospitality and tourism at FAU, but FAU, the College of Business, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And that's what I tell students all the time. Like, if it's a resume, if it's a business card, or whatever it's going to be, never miss that chance to promote yourself. It will lead you, it'll lead you in a lot of good directions, but also it will open up a ton of opportunities for you.